Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do a quick update video. Well, maybe not quick, as long as we have battery. We're going to go and take a walk around and see how everything's been growing. We'll start right here with the wild blackberries that we have trained up. And they are all turning, they're all changing, and they are everywhere right around in here. We have hundreds and hundreds of berries. The new area has a lot of wild blackberries as well growing in it. But let's get into the farm. I've got it open. Let's get in here. Bonsai trees are doing okay. A few are doing okay. They're coming back green very slowly, very slowly. This one, I think I have to cut it way back. I think it died back a lot. This guy obviously has died some. I think this guy might have died. He might not have made it through the year, but this guy is thriving. He's doing a fantastic job. Carrots are doing pretty good. These guys suck. We won't grow them next year, but I'll do a better video on these when it comes time to pull them up. They're not quite ready. So tomatoes. These are suckers that I've put here to get extra tomatoes that will come later. Scotch bonnets are coming up nicely, very nicely. Dragon's toe peppers. They are almost ready green, the ones that are here, but I'm gonna let them go to red because I want to see if they'll get very hot. I hope. I have some more tomato suckers right here. These are some Big Jim. I got 5 seeds free from a company I ordered seeds from this year, and I just realized that that guy right there is not even in there. I'm sorry. These are Big Jim. These are habanero. Yes. I had some extra habanero, so I put them here. These are the Big Jim peppers. All right. So that herb garden. Got our basil's doing great. Purple basil. We had Thai basil come back from last year, which is amazing. So I guess it went to seed last year. Our dill is out of control. Of course, this is a perennial here. This is our, I can't remember, oregano, duh. We have cilantro. I've got some garlic that I planted here. We have a ton of peppers right here coming up from last year and some cilantro. So we're gonna see what happens with those. Now, on to the main part of the garden. And this is what I want to do a video for today. Oh, there was potatoes here. I dug them up yesterday. They died really early, really fast. Were gone away completely. I dug them up. They were just tiny little ones, not worth doing a video on. So I tilled this. Give this a few days and I'm going to plant something new here. Lettuce is doing okay. Ton of weeds, I know. Don't, over here we're much better. Squash and zucchini, we'll get to that in a minute. The jalapeno plants are starting to produce jalapenos. They're all about 2.5, a couple of them are 3 foot tall almost. But we have jalapenos on all of them. Habaneros in the middle and serrano peppers up the other end. But let's get to the tomato plants. So we have red. This is a determinate tomato. Valley Girl. This is a red tomato. This is our COTs, our crucial orange tomatoes. And you guys can see how big these have gotten. Can barely see up the row. The straw has worked wonderful for weed control. It has done a very good job. We are very happy with it. I'm hoping that these two guys start turning soon. We have some really huge ones in here. It's a medium-sized tomato, but we have some excellent huge ones. But my pride and joys, I guess you could say, this year are my sun golds. And well, I'll show you on video. I'm 6'1", and so you can see some of these plants are already to 6 foot tall. I have put in my bamboo stakes for down at this end where the water table, it stays a little more wet down here, so these have grown a lot taller than the ones up further. I have bamboo to make those taller. Put a cross member in here just to, the strings are gonna go all the way up because I'm hoping to grow them up and maybe up and over in a way so we can walk under here and be able just to pick them right here once they get there. But they are definitely turning. Here's sun golds. This is the second level. We have there's some aphids. We have a lot of aphids. We're trying to control them with natural means, but they're increasing. We need a few hot days that might kill them off. But what's nice is that these plants grow so fast that they really don't have a, they really don't hurt. They don't, you know, they can't eat fast enough. There's bee. Let's see if we can get a close up of this bee while we're out here. Yeah, do you see him? Do you see him? I don't know if we can see him. Well, listen, we'll keep looking because we're gonna walk around out here. We got lots and lots of pollinators. There's a bee right there. Let's see if we can get close to him. I think you call that a bumblebee. It's not a honeybee, but I thank him because we have lots of them around, and they're what made these guys possible. Oh, there's something about a vine-ripened sun-gold tomato. Made my stomach growl. Cucumbers. We have a few cucumbers coming in. This is a seedless variety right here. You can tell by the big leaves on this one. And I think, I don't have the exact, I thought I had a name somewhere. I don't. So just know that I'm right. So yeah, we'll walk out here down to the end of the tomatoes. Also doing a spider web clearing. So it's nice that I'm in vlog mode. So my left arm is catching all the spider webs. Gotta catch them. Gotta catch them all. I actually need to come out here and harvest some tomatoes today. I'm hoping, actually you can, here's a good way to see it. You can see down here nice and lush, and from here down is kind of like a low spot, and this kind of, whether you can't see it on camera, but this area goes uphill. So you can see up here is less growth than down here, which is, it's fine. I mean, that's just the dynamics of my little farm. Here we have cucumbers coming up from some seeds we planted. They're just coming along very, very slowly, pulling up weeds. These cucumbers are doing well. I think this one is actually, we actually have almost one to eat. He is almost ready. This is just a regular slicing variety. There might be some pickled ones scattered in. This whole area here all came up from the look at the flowers, pretty cool. These came up from last year, which is fantastic. I was hoping to see if some of these tomatoes, I mean, you can see we just have hundreds and hundreds of the medium tomatoes and just waiting on them to change. It rained yesterday, so I haven't gotten around to watering today. I gotta put that guy up in there. Oh, there's a cucumber right here growing. Kind of strange. But let's get over real quick and we'll finish out the video. Up here in the front in row 1, I actually have, well, right here, this row, almost from about there to all the way to there, this whole area here, I just did about 500 radish seeds, so those will be coming up again. We also have some down at the end that are ready for harvest down here. This right here is another 25 sun gold tomato plants that were 1 foot tall suckers 3 weeks ago, and as you can tell now, any day now they should start ripening and we'll have even more sucker tomatoes. But get a view of the farm from here. Come check out the serrano pepper plants. I mean, this is ready. This is a serrano pepper ready to eat. That's part of the early peppers. I mean, look at the amount of peppers right here already, okay? I mean, today is, I think today is, I want to say it's June 17th. I think yesterday was June 16th, so June 17th is today. And I already have serrano peppers that I can harvest. I mean, I probably have maybe 100 I can harvest, maybe 200. And they go all the way down to there, come all the way down to here. And you'll see from here down are my habaneros. And then that gets to where the jalapenos are, and like I said, I have jalapenos already. Here's a nice yellow squash that is ready to be picked soon. Oh, it still had its blossom and didn't get blossom rot. Here's another one. Here's our yellow zucchini plants. They go from right about here all the way almost down to the end. Yellow zucchini against my hand They're gorgeous and they have nice green stems. This year we have still been fighting squash bugs again. They are horrible. But we have lots and lots of yellow zucchini. I'm actually growing one big zucchini and I'm hoping maybe I can even get into the fair with it. This is green zucchini. There's one here. I'll put my hand on it so you can see it. Okay, it's huge. It's a big one, but there's one over here. Well, this is the Tigris zucchini and we're gonna use this one probably maybe tonight, and we're gonna do, the wife and I are gonna do lasagna. One of my favorites, because I have to eat gluten-free. So we have more Tigris here. They're huge. Look at this guy, it's humongous. I see a couple squash bugs. I'm gonna have to get in here. But here is another one I might enlist. But the one that I've been saving is right here, that I've been checking on every day and hoping that he makes it. And I'm just gonna let him keep growing. Every day I wipe off the bottom, and look, today we just found some dirt and a slug. Bye-bye, slug. Gotta kill those bugs. When you find a slug, you need to kill it. But yeah, that's regular zucchini, and like I said, we have Tigris zucchini. And right here is a hybrid yellow squash that I love. It's delicious, and this also has its thing still. We love eating these things. Check out the size of, I don't know if you can see me buy my jalapeno plants, but I mean, look at the size of these things. I just can't believe it. I mean, look, jalapeno, we got flowers dropping. I mean, every plant has like 20 or 30 flowers. Look at this. There's a jalapeno flower. So yeah, tons of stuff to do. I've been doing weeding, and in here you can get a good view of it. So if you will zoom in, okay, here we go, and you can see, get my finger in here, right there down is green, and you can see here down is weeded. And I use my Hoop Ho bicycle contraption, and it works great. Excuse me. Ooh, that tomato gave me a little stomach acidity. So yeah, other than that, maybe we'll do a video on the bike soon. I got a lot to harvest today. I got a lot to do. We have red radishes coming along. We have white icicle radishes also coming along, almost ready. I'm gonna get off here because this is now like a 10 or 15 minute video, but there was a lot. I mean, I have a lot growing this year, and I'm very, very excited about it. I can't wait until the point where every day I have so much to harvest and so much to do. It's just, I have to work into the night sometimes. But here, get a view of it, guys. Let me back up into this corner. Look at that. Man, it looks good. Looks good. I'm also gonna take a couple pictures in a second so I can pick out which picture I want to be my thumbnail for this video. Let's go around this way, and I will say, don't forget to beware of the dog. The cat is shady as hell also. Yeah, don't forget that. He is pretty shady. Yeah, so I'll come out here and just do a blatant ad for myself. Come check out Crucial Farms Urban and Fresh on our Facebook page and our Instagram page. Please subscribe here on YouTube if you already haven't. And if you're local and want some vegetables, hey, come on by and check out the farm. Bring some cash with you. Make sure you have exact change. Maybe message me first. Let me know you're on your way. And yeah, drink plenty of water. Don't kill each other. Stop killing each other. Stop bombing places. I mean, that doesn't make any sense. You know, don't be racist. You know, love everybody, I guess, because that's what we're supposed to do. And just chill. Peace out, guys.